Friendswood ISD, we are in uncharted waters in the situation with the COVID-19 virus. We've been through difficult times. We walked through Harvey together. We've walked through situations together, but in those situations we knew we had sheetrock to clean up, we had to gather information and to care for each other, and that the sun would come out again. And it'll come out again in this situation too, but it just feels like the same situation, a hurricane with when's the end going to come. But just wanted to come and talk to you tonight about a couple situations, couple things that we have in front of us. First of all, you probably saw a school closure statement from Friendswood ISD. It's a regional school closure of schools around the region that will be closed through through April 10th, which is Good Friday actually. The week of that week, Monday, April 6th is that week. We will reassess the situation based on current information. We'll lean on experts for the decision, health experts, the numbers of cases around, the numbers in Friendswood, numbers in our area, what that looks like to make a decision for a return. The purpose for this decision, or the rationale, is to take advantage of the time after all of the travel by students, by staff, by employees coming back for the incubation period to manifest itself, to take advantage of increased testing capabilities, take advantage of social isolation, to see the curve, how it decreases, and what it looks like in Friendswood ISD moving forward to keep our staff, our students, and our community healthy. Part of that is what in these 4 weeks to come, questions about, are we going to have to make up that time? What is that going to look like? Right now, from TEA, we've learned that as a district, if we can provide instructional support, some level of instructional support to our students, that we can move forward with, if we can move forward with that those days will be ones that won't have to be pushed back for an extended school year. So our district leaders and teachers, in terms of addressing that, and also just providing instructional support for students while they're home, are putting together a plan. And we'll be rolling that out to you very, very soon. You should be receiving information that as early as tomorrow. Exactly what it says is instructional support for our students in grades K through 12. Obviously, instructional support aren't going to be covering all the TEKs, won't be things that will be graded at this point and turned in for credits to look at grades and where they've been when we left prior to spring break. There'll be activities. There'll be other pieces of instruction that can support your students while they're at home. We understand you're not teachers, those of you parents, and don't expect you to be in this situation. We understand too that the older students, the students that are in secondary, are going to have a easier time. It's something they've been used to, and teachers will also have an easier time of that, providing those instructional supports. As time goes by, we can become more sophisticated, but want to just begin at that level of instructional support and just ask for you to support that initiative with your kids. Talk today, just in our time together as a leadership team, about scheduling and when that works best for you as a family, for kids to work on those instructional supports. So just ask for you to provide your support in that. Understand your frustration and your fears. This was not the plan starting out the school year, obviously. And as I started out saying, these are uncharted waters. This is not something we plan to, within a 7-day notice, or maybe even less than that, be able to provide instruction, complete instruction at home. and what we're going to do is provide instructional support. But we're in this together. You know, our teachers are home, our employees are home taking care of their kids as well in the midst of trying to support learning on the campus level. And so just give us grace and understanding as we do the same with each other moving forward through these next few weeks and what's ahead. I know you have lots of questions, and we do too. Lots of questions about things that pertain to the end of a school year and what that might look like. And as we get, you know, direction from TEA and consider your questions, we'll be capturing those. Have a format soon for you to be able to capture those. We'll address those and just need you to stay tuned to your email, your communication from the district, social media, to get the answers to those questions, and we'll do our best to answer them as we know what it looks like. But it does change for us from day to day. So again, blessings on you. You know, fear is the enemy for us as a community, as a district right now. Our forefathers here in Friendswood built this community on faith, and that's where we're going to stand. So we'll be seeing you soon. Look forward to FISD Communications to learn more.